Welcome back to the channel. This is just a quick one. I decided to buy some cheap tools from AliExpress just to see what sort of quality I got and whether I've actually saved myself any money. A lot of other people have done similar videos from Temu and AliExpress, so I'd give it a go myself. Thought I might be able to save myself a couple of bob. The goods I sent off for came quite quickly, considering they had to come all the way from China, all bagged up as you can see here, in separate bags for each thing, but then in one big bag to the UK. The first thing I bought was a set of pliers for taking clips off of hoses. I've got various sets, but I haven't got a set like this that will clamp on the hose clip and stay clamped without having to hold it. I haven't used them yet, but the proof will be in the eating of the pudding, because they seem good enough quality. It's probably as good from Draper or similar in the UK. Not very good video on my part, but they seem reasonable quality. They're not lightweight, flimsy or anything, and they seem like they will do the job. But like I said, the proof will be in the pudding. So we'll get back on another video and say whether they worked or not. The next package is some picks. These were for taking O-rings off of things and out of things and seals and that kind of stuff. I hadn't got any, and I was always using very small screwdrivers, but these should do the job a lot better. The next thing I ordered was this magnetic pickup tool. I'm always dropping stuff and can't get my fingers in to pick it out. It's not as robust as some I've seen, and I don't know if the magnet is particularly strong. It's picking up these screws, as you can see, but they're hardly heavy and not very big. I haven't given it a try on anything bigger, but again, I'll probably do a video some other time and show how well they work. But it still might get me out of a bit of trouble every now and again. We'll wait and see. The tools in all were only a couple of quid each, the smaller tools. This is I'm assuming it's a knockoff Makita. I paid £24 for it, UK sterling that is, and it doesn't look any different to the Makita impact drive I've already got, so it's quite a good knockoff. Whether it's going to last as long as my Makita's lasted, I don't know. It does work, I have tried it, and that's the battery that's in it is off my existing Makita impact driver. Again, I mean, it was so cheap, to be honest. If it only lasts a year or so, I'll have got my money's worth out of it, and I'm not going to be over picky about it. But we'll wait and see how it goes. But I'll do a video soon and update everyone on how I get on with the tools and how they last. In the meantime, if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, I'll be very grateful. Thanks again, and see you all again soon.